Do you see the Easter? Oh, there's Daddy. Hey, come back. We're going down. Come on. Come on.
Good morning.
Hi.
Downstairs?
Come on, let's go downstairs. Turn around. Come on, baby. There's something down here for you, I think. Slide. Dylan. What's that? What is that? What is that? Is that an egg?
Egg.
Is that an orange egg? Is there something in it? Can you shake it? Chloe. Can you shake it? Chloe. I think I see another one, Dylan. Do you see another one? Do you see another egg? Guys, go down. Oscar, he can't see the egg with you hiding in front of it. Oh, I think he found it. Is that a blue egg? Are there stuff in it?
Let's go down.
Are there things?
Let's go down that way.
Alright, let's finish sliding. Come on, baby. There's more downstairs. Come on. There's more. Come on, let's find them all. Do you want to find more? There's more down here. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Ouch. That hurts my butt. Looking at you. Oh, I think I see another one. Do you see another egg? Look everywhere. Do you see one? Look down. Do you see another egg? What's that? All right. That's 3. Oh, that's a big egg. Oh, what's that? Do you want to give me your hand? I'll help you down. Wait, can we get down the rest? Can you help him down? All right. Okay, what you got in your basket? What's all that, Dylan? Oh boy, oh boy. What's that? Are those, oh, those are your M&Ms, huh? Oh, well. Do you want to find all the rest of your eggs? Okay. Daddy, can you kind of help him?
There's one.
All right.
Put them in here. Put them in here. Good job.
Where else, Boo-Boo?
Put that one in.
Do you see any more eggs?
Let's go find some more. Let's go find some
Do
more.
you see any more eggs?
Let's go here. You see anything over here?
Oh boy, there's a purple one.
Gosh. Whoa,
Oh, what's in there? Did you put a grape in there?
Yummy.
Eat it. Yummy. Look, I see another egg, Dylan.
Yeah, let's put this one back together.
Dylan, I think I see more.
Let's go find some.
Do you see more? You see more eggs?
Any more eggs?
They're all over here, honey.
Let's go this way.
Oh.
Oh!
There's a pink
In
one.
here? Okay, let's keep going.
Oh boy. There's a yellow one. Good job. Good job.
Can you put it in here? Can you find any more?
There's a purple one. Oh my goodness. Are there more? Let's find all the eggs, honey, before we play with your helicopter. How about? Look, I see more eggs. Come on, put that one in your basket.
Put it in there.
Good job.
There you go.
Do you see any more eggs? Oh, there's an orange one. Good job. Go put that one in your basket.
Let's keep going. We're on a roll.
There's more. Go on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, double. Maybe we should have got a bigger basket.
Let's keep going. There's more. I think there's more.
What about in your basketball hoop? In your basketball hoop. Look at your hoop.
Good hoop.
Turn around. Oh, there's a pink one. Good job.
Nice. You want to put it in there? Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
I see a green one. Oh, I see an orange one. Good job, Dylan.
Good job.
Oh.
Good job. Is there any more?
Are there more?
I think there's a couple more.
Oh, Dylan. Oh, good one. That's the one I just saw. Yellow. Yellow egg.
You see that one too?
Do you see the green egg? Go get it. Go grab it. Sorry, baby. We got you too small of a basket. Get the green egg. Yeah, go grab it.
Go get it.
Oh my
I'll
God.
get it. Go get the green one.
Go get the green one, boo-boo. All right. Good job. Green egg.
Good job.
You're so good. Oh, Dylan, I think I see one.
Is there any more?
Look.
Is there any more? Let's keep going.
Have you looked under the table yet?
Anywhere else? Gotta keep looking.
What about in your truck? Have you checked your truck lately?
There is one.
Is that a blue one? You see it. Good job. You want Mommy to hold the blue one? Oh, thank you. Hey. There's another one, I think. I see. Purple.
Whoa, he's got
Nice job, Dee. Give me 5. Alright. Are there more, Daddy?
There might be one more.
There might be one more. Follow Daddy.
There might be one more, Dee. Come on.
Follow Daddy. He'll help you out. Take your fingers out of your mouth.
Come here, baby. You see anything else? What's that?
Oh, I see a pink one. Nice.
Timber. Okay. We got one more. We got one more to find.
Here, Dad, give me the extras that are coming.
John Doe's potty.
Good job.
Can you feel it? That's the green one. Good job, dude.
All right, Dylan. Good job. You found them all. Hooray. Can you do your crazy shake? 2, 4, 6, 8. Everybody crazy shake. All right, dude. Blow
Happy
kiss.
Easter.
Happy Easter. Blow kiss to the camera, honey. Can you blow kisses to Mommy?
Yeah.
Mwah. Kiss the camera. Thank you.